Good morning, everyone. I am Priya Sinha, your SST teacher. Today, we are going to discuss definitions and exercises of chapter number 5 of geography, that is water. So, let's start definition first. First of all, we will discuss the definitions of this chapter. So, number 1 is water cycle. The process by which water continuously changes its form and circulates between oceans, atmosphere, and land is known as water cycle. Means the process in which water circulates between land and ocean and in the atmosphere, then that particular process is known as water cycle. Second number is terrarium. Terrarium is an enclosure for keeping small house plants. Third number is salinity. Salinity means the amount of salt in grams present in 1000 grams of water. Okay, next. Fourth number is waves. When the water on the surface of the ocean rises and falls alternatively, they are called waves. Fifth number is tsunami. A huge tidal wave that may be as high as 15 meters formed by an earthquake, a volcanic eruption, or underwater landslide is known as tsunami. And next, sixth number is tides. Tides is the rhythmic rise and fall of ocean water twice in a day. Is basically waves means the water on the surface of the ocean rises and falls alternatively, then they are called waves. And tides means the rhythmic rise and fall of ocean water twice in a day. So that's the only difference between waves and tides. Okay, next, seventh number is spring tides. During the full moon and new moon days, the sun, the moon, and the earth are in the same line and the tides are highest. These tides are called spring tides. Means during full moon day or new moon days, when the sun, moon, and the earth are in the same line, then they used to attract ocean water. They used to pull it towards itself. So these are called spring tides. Next is neap tides. When the moon is in its first and last quarter, the ocean waters get drawn in diagonally opposite direction by the gravitational pull of sun and moon, resulting in low tides. And these tides are called neap tides. Okay, ninth number is ocean currents. Ocean currents are streams of water flowing constantly on the ocean surface in definite direction. These ocean currents may be warm or cold. It can be of any type. Ocean current may be warm or may be cold. Now we have completed the definitions of this chapter. Now we will start exercises. See the first number, answer these questions. Okay, now see A number. What is precipitation? Answer is precipitation is the deposition of moisture from the atmosphere into the earth's surface. This may be in the form of rain, hail, frost, fog, sleet, or snow. Means The deposition of moisture from the atmosphere into the surface of the earth is known as precipitation. It can be in different forms like rain, hail, frost, fog, sleet, or even snow. Now see the next question. What is water cycle? We have discussed it in definitions also. The process by which water continually changes its form and circulates between oceans, atmosphere and land is known as the water cycle. Means water cycle is a process in which water changes its form and circulates between oceans, atmosphere and land. Okay, now next is C number. What are the factors affecting the height of the waves? Means we have to state the factors which affect the height of the waves. See the answer. The factors affecting the height of the waves are: first number is high speed of wind, second is duration of wind, third is distance from which the wind blows on water, fourth earthquake, fifth is volcanic eruption, and sixth is underwater landslides. High speed of wind, duration of wind, distance from which the wind blows on water, earthquake, volcanic eruption and underwater landslides are the factors which affect the height of the waves. Okay, now D number. Which factors affect the movement of ocean water? In this question, we have question is asking about the factors which affect the movement of ocean water. So we have to state all the factors. Answer is: the factors affecting the movement of ocean water are: first is temperature, second is Earth's rotation, third gravitational pull of sun and moon, and fourth is earthquake and volcanic eruptions. Temperature, Earth's rotation, gravitational pull of sun and moon, and earthquake and volcanic eruptions are the factors affecting the movement of ocean water. Okay, next E number. What are tides and how they are caused? The rhythmic rise and fall of ocean water twice in a day is called tide. We have already discussed it in definition part also. The strong gravitational pull exerted by the sun and moon on the surface of the earth causes the tide. So it is basically the rise and fall of ocean water which happens twice in a day, and it is caused because of the strong gravitational pull exerted by the sun and the moon on the surface of the earth. Okay, last question, F number is: what are ocean currents? Answer is: ocean currents are streams of water flowing constantly on the ocean surface in definite directions. As we have discussed it in definition also, that it may be warm or cold. Ocean currents can be of two types. It may be warm ocean current or it may be cold ocean current. Okay, now second number of your exercise is give reasons. Now see it. See the first number. See the second number. The quality of water is deteriorating. So we have to give reason of it why the quality of water is deteriorating. So the answer is: the quality of water is deteriorating because of the garbage we throw in the rivers, chemicals from industries and polluted water, remains of harmful insecticides and pesticides flowing in from the fields, and unburnt or half burnt corpses of men and animals thrown in water bodies. So these are the reasons why the quality of water is deteriorating. See, ocean water is salty. Answer is ocean water is salty because it contains large amount of dissolved salts. Most of the salt is sodium chloride or the common table salt that we eat. Okay, now third question of your exercise is tick the correct answer. Options are given, you have to choose the correct one. See A number. The process by which water continually changes its form and circulates between oceans, atmosphere, and land. Options are given. First number is water cycle, second is tides, and third is ocean currents. So according to the statement, the correct answer is first number, that is water cycle. B number is generally the warm ocean currents originate near. First option is poles, second is equator, and third is none of these. So the correct answer is second number, that is equator. Okay, C number is the rhythmic rise and fall of ocean water twice in a day is called dash. First number is tide, second is ocean current, and third is wave. So the correct answer according to the statement is first number, that is tide. Now fourth question of your exercise is match the columns. Two columns are given there. You just have to choose the correct one and match it. C. Caspian Sea. Caspian Sea is the largest lake. Second is tide, periodic rise and fall of water. Third is tsunami, strong seismic waves. And fourth is ocean current, streams of water moving along definite paths. So the correct answers are 1A, 2B, 3C, and 4D. You have to match it according to the numbers given in the answer column. That's all for today. We have completed the explanation and exercises along with the definition of this chapter. Means chapter number 5 is also completed. So thank you and have a nice day.